There's a term in the tech community called dogfooding, and what it means is that a company should feel confident enough about its own product that they use it themselves. In other words, they're eating their own dog food. And today I was working on a video that was going to show my cursor workflow, and at the end I was going to scan my code with VibeScan, so I was going to dog food my own product. But before I got to that point, I just decided let me create the app with Create Volo app and see if there are any issues inherent just in that. And when I ran the scan, it gave me this, which, wow, I mean, it found so many issues. But as I dug into it, I realized that almost all of these things are actually false positives. So it found that we have a password in this doc over here, but it's clearly an example. And it thinks it found a password in package.json, which looks like this. And these false positives are scattered among some other code, like this commit in Wrangler toml, which I intentionally put there just to see if it would catch it in the scan. But given the rate of false positives, it's really hard to make out which issues are real and what should be addressed. In addition to that, it creates this finding for every time you use console log. So it made me realize I really need to hone in on this product, and I really need to polish it up before I show it to people and before I try to get more sales. Because as it stands right now, I mean, yes, the product can find legitimate security issues, but they're so buried in this other stuff, and we don't have the other modules or the auto fixes. Like, I'm going to be much better off promoting this when it's more polished, when it's a more finished product. So after this experience, I decided I'm just going to go all in for the next week working on the product and not focusing on any kind of video related stuff, because I just need to make this obviously valuable so that when I show it in a video, it just clicks and it converts. And then we'll have a full product so people who pay for it are getting more value out of that. And just in general, I want to get it to a point where I can put it in a video and feel super confident about it. And right now, with all these false positives, I'm not quite there. So I'm going to go all in on the product for the next week and just table the video production until that point. That way I'm not getting distracted and pulled in two different directions. I need a couple of days to build up the foundation of all these new features, but then I hope to get to a point where I can just shoot a big feature out every day, and it'll be an exciting end to the month of July and the first half of this 100-day journey to 10K MRR. So it is building time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.